I, you, he, she, it, we, they, boy, boy. When, how, what time, how long, how often, when, where, why, with whom. Can I play?
I can play.
I can play. I cannot play. Can I play? Can I not play? I am a teacher.
What can I?
What can I play? Who can I play? What time can I play? How can play? How long can play? How often can play? When can play? Where can play? Why can play? With whom can play? Who can play?
Nontar?
I
am
am
teacher.
teacher. I was a teacher. I shall be a teacher. I have a teacher. I have pen. I had a pen. I shall have a pen.